Would you like to have a chance to compete in the Premier League of your field? Yes? But how will you get there? Let's try it BESA's way. Join one of the most recognized universities in the world. Why study for 2 or 3 years when you can accomplish the same results in only 1 year? You are not only saving time, but saving money as well. UK is considered one of the most suitable choices compared to other high educational systems worldwide. You can get a work placement year after getting your master's degree and then get the chance to live, work and settle in the UK. Hurry up and reserve your free counselling session now. BESA, a simple solution to a complicated task. BESA, your gate to a better future.